Hi Shahid, Himesh this side from Penguilla. I have
यार वो एक सेकंड लैंड तो कर रहे थे, मैंने इतनी बड़ी बात बोल दी. इट्स माय फेवरेट फिल्म येट. हाँ वो ठीक है, आप सुन मेरा अगला सवाल यार, है ना. डोंट गेट इमोशनल एंड ऑल, डोंट मेक बिग स्टेटमेंट्स यार. मैं बहुत देर से सुरेंद्र, दिस इज ऑल योर फॉल्ट.
I don't
तू
even
लोगों को
know.
रुकाएगा ना.
वो माइक उनके पास कैसे पहुंच रहा है
बट
मेरे को
तू
वही
इस साइड क्यों खड़ा है? तो थोड़ी देर उस साइड भी जाना. इस साइड खड़े होके तू उस साइड
पहले सांस ले.
बैंड बजा रहे हैं.
पहले सांस ले.
हाँ चला गया.
गेट अ माइक एंड से दैट ब्रो. व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ इट?
यार माइक ना एक बार मेरे को बता दो किसको दे रहे हो. हाँ
So I have
खड़े हो जाओ.
I have two questions.
अब तू, अब वो मेरी बैंड बजाएगा, तू उसकी बैंड बजाएगा, वो तेरे से अपसेट होगा,
नहीं, नहीं.
उसका फ्रस्ट्रेशन.
मैं पहले ही सवाल सुन लूं उससे. Okay.
2 स्टार देगा मेरे ट्रेलर को. बी नाइस टू देम.
Hey bro, what's your question?
I have two questions, one for Shahid and one for Aman.
प्लीज आस्क अमन फर्स्ट.
Okay.
अमन इज डाइंग टू टॉक. ही इज अ पंजाबी. कब से वेट कर रहा है. कल रात से उसने मुझे मैसेज कर दिया, तू स्टेज पे देख, मैंने सब बोल देना है, स्टेज पे आके चुप. आई एम आल्सो प्लेइंग कैरेक्टर लाइक दिस ओनली.
So Aman, firstly, how would you how would you define your journey? You know, like you said, you were a marketing head at the time of Jab We Met, and now you are producing a film for Shahid. How do you view that?
He was not a marketing head at the time of Jab We Met. He was in the marketing team. तभी ये स्टार्ट किया था, बॉटम लाइन से स्टार्ट किया. He's made it all the way here to today. So started from the bottom.
Journey's been great. Like Shahid said, I've known him for over 14-15 years. Allu sir, we did Gajni, we did Jab We Met together. So everybody knows, everybody familiar.
मतलब तूने एक भी फ्लॉप नहीं दिया. You're the only guy on this platform who's never given a flop. Suddenly इसने बोला, Jab We Met, and then Gajni, and now we're doing Jersey. He's the most successful guy on this stage. You just didn't know about him yet.
And we did Odta Punjab together.
वो भी successful हो गई.
So worked various companies and now branched out in individually. I'm thankful to Allu sir who gave me a call after watching Jersey and said, I still remember the day. It was a Tuesday. I was in the gym in the morning and he said, Aman, can you come to Hyderabad? I said, sir, what happened? He said, एक picture आई है called Jersey and I want you to see it. I said, ये बॉम्बे में लगी है, मैं यहाँ जाके देख लेता हूँ. He said, okay, but you need to see it now. I went to the cinema and
What are you saying? ये पिक्चर एक बार बॉम्बे में रिलीज हो चुकी है. मुझे आज तक ये बात किसी ने बताई नहीं.
Telugu version. And then I went and saw it and called sir. The journey started. I'm thankful for sir, but it's a journey. Everybody, like you're working, everybody keeps growing. So.
Shahid, my second question is to you. From Padmavat, Kabir Singh, now Jersey. The next is with Ali Abbas.
बीच में बत्ती गुल भी आई थी. You can say it. I don't mind. Always be honest to yourself, bro.
So my question to you is, you have gone very commercial with your choices. If you look at it, is that a conscious move?
यार Kabir Singh was an adult film. Okay. First of all, Kabir Singh, when it Arjun Reddy, sorry, when it released in Andhra, the business was not very massive or something. You know, their films do 100 crore plus business. The business was very good for a newcomer film, right? I never choose films according to their commercial potential fundamentally. Of course, nobody wants to do a film that flops, but you want to tell a story really well. Now, if that story is more accessible, then it's obviously better because you can take that story wider. But I've also done stories that are less accessible in terms of, like, I mean, Udta is a film about drugs in Punjab, and Haider was a film which was about the problem of the common Kashmiri man, you know, so these are not things that everybody is going to be interested in. But you should always tell the stories that you really, really want to tell. I think Kabir went very wide in the Hindi, in the Hindi film fraternity. So we didn't really know how big it will connect. But I very strongly felt that I want to tell this story, I want to play this crazy character. I'm very excited to play this crazy character, you know. And so I did it. You know, beyond that, how do you know? I mean, I don't know. I'm just doing things that really excite me. And of course, I'm very conscious and aware of the fact that I must try and do films which are more accessible. That's definitely something that I have learned to do more now, and very much after Kabir Singh. Because there is a wide audience that has seen that film, and I want to give them a great story again, right? But I'm not trying to do the same kind of character again, trying to tell the same story again. That doesn't excite me. This old wine, new bottle, ये सब बोलते हैं लोग, मेरे को ये बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता है. You know, मैं bottle बनाने नहीं आया, मेरे को wine में interest है. It should be something new as a character. It should be something new as a story. The reason I chose this film is because it is an extremely strong story with an extremely original, fresh character, and that to me is the right thing to do when you've played something as aggressive as Kabir Singh and as a film that is as loved as Kabir Singh. you cannot chase it. You must find something that is equally potent and put all your energy in that. I truly believe this film is very, very potent, and so I chose to do it.
Okay, we have time for two more questions.
Hi, Shahid.
Wait.
Hi, Shahid. Towards your right.
एक
Hi, Shahid. Can I ask?
Where's the question coming from? Can you just put your hand?
Hi, Shahid.
One second. There's a question coming from here, right? On the left.
Hi, Shahid. Right.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, Shahid. Hi, good evening, everybody. Hi, this is Mayur here from Beyond Bollywood.
Mayur, where are you? I'm sorry, I can't.
On your left
Hi,
side.
Mayur. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks.
wonderful trailer, and Gautam, I haven't seen the original, but I read about the film. The one word which struck with me about the film, it's that it's about a late bloomer. So my question is for Gautam, Mrunal, and Shahid. In the ever populated world where the emphasis is always on hiring you. How difficult it is for a person in his mid 30s or 40s who's not been successful in the early part of his career, for them to meet this late bloomer. So can each one of you, starting from Gautam, Mrunal, and then Shahid, could you give your perspective on this? Thank you.
Sure. Thanks for that question. The true idea behind the story when I wrote the story 6 years back was we always draw inspiration from success of people. I mean, whether it's a successful person or a successful event, we always draw inspiration from them. And for me, the true inspiration should come from their effort, that spirit to be successful rather than the success. So that's how the idea of the story started. And these people who really try hard to be successful or really try to do something in their lives are all around us. I mean, it could be a father, it could be the person who drives you to work, it could be a sister, it could be a friend. So my basic idea is to tell the story of all these people who are around us, and their success is not being celebrated. So this story is that celebration of human spirit to be successful rather than clapping for the successful people. So that's the basic idea behind the story.
See, for me, my aim is not success. My aim is the journey. And this is what the film is about, the journey. Success, to aa hi jayega. Like, even when I started, I was not running behind success. I started because I wanted to experience. I wanted to witness what it feels like to be an actor, to share screen with, such wonderful actors like Pankaj sir and Shahid, and to be directed by Gautam sir, and have these wonderful producers having immense faith in me. And for me, this film, this story is deserved to be told, and each and every one sitting in this room will be able to relate. Whenever you watch this movie, you will relate that there are circumstances जहाँ पे उठाने पड़ते हैं हमें कदम. We can't really do anything. It's just, we are just reacting to the situation, So, yeah, so to sum it up, I would just say it's a journey. Success आएगा नहीं आएगा वो ऊपर वाले के ऊपर छोड़ दो.
मैंने ना 20 साल जर्नी किया, अभी मेरे को सक्सेस चाहिए. इसने अभी 2-3 साल पहले स्टार्ट किया. What's your question? Tell me, about late bloomers. So I agree that is a part of this film, and that is to some degree, an angle that plays into this film. But we've seen films about late bloomers earlier also, and there've been a couple. I think Tufan was somewhere also similar. So this film is not just about a late bloomer. It might give you that impression because we are not revealing the story right now. We're just giving you a younger version and an older version, and you're just seeing moments of their, maybe current state of reality, as opposed to, one looks more glamorous and one looks more like down. But you have to travel the journey of this film to understand what it's actually about, and you actually, hopefully, if you wait for the climax, and if you sit till the climax, then you will understand what this film is about. To me, it's much larger than all these things. What the film speaks about is I think, in spirit, what Gautam sir spoke about, which is it talks about the human spirit. See, success is what? What is success? I mean, if you win a medal, is that success? If you come first in school, is that success? But what about everybody else who worked equally hard? You know, why is that effort not celebrated? And I think that's something that doesn't happen in life, but in cinema that can happen. You can celebrate the emotion and the effort and the work that each one of us put in all those moments where we didn't get celebrated. Maybe it didn't go that well. Maybe maybe we couldn't hold on to something and say, देख मैंने ये कमाया. But we are experiencing life. हम तो जिंदगी कमा रहे हैं ना. So ये फिल्म उस चीज़ के बारे में है कि आपने जिंदगी में क्या कमाया और आप जिंदगी कैसे जीना चाहते हो और आपकी वजह क्या होनी चाहिए. You know, so it's a very emotional film and it's a very inspiring film. You know, some films make you cry because you feel sad. This film made me cry in a very I don't know, I felt uplifted. I was crying in an overwhelmed manner, and that is why I wanted to bring this film to the audience, because I think everybody needs a little bit of faith, everybody needs a little bit of positivity, everybody needs to believe in themselves. And you must believe in yourself. Let the world say what they want to say. You must believe in yourself, because only you live your life, and this film is about that. So late bloomer and all, yes, but I think it's a little above that, that's just a setup for the character. But what we're trying to say in the film, I think, is very universal.